out. It's just processing, grinding them right up. So that's kind of a bonus. Oh, sketchy. So the good news about being retired, it's good and bad, is that I can change my daily schedule. Tomorrow I was going to go work on that property, but I tried doing a little fishing here in the evening, and the weeds are becoming just overwhelming all the way around. I wanted to fish that shoreline, but them weeds are 2 foot high, thick. Unless I put, like big pants, boots, and spray, you got snakes, ticks, chiggers, and everything else. So I think tomorrow, my new plan might be to break out the excavator and that brush cutter and clean up some fishing spots here and enjoy life a little bit this summer. I think so. Okay, so after doing the hard stuff around the old pond dam with overgrown trees and stuff, if you missed that, I'll put a link in the description. But we put a Sharpen on the blades for this kind of grassy area. So just took a little angle grinder, put a Sharpen on the blades to try and get a much better finish here. And well, join us for some fresh air and let's see how that's going to work on this pond dam. All right, this was one of the reasons. I had a list of reasons why I wanted a machine, brush cutter. At one point I was hiring a guy, and when I hired a service, and an Iron Mike used to do it. Anyways, it's a lot of weeds all the way around the pond. done with the clean side of the pond dam. Bet you I could chop some of them weeds up in the pond there. Although it'd be easier for when I get that 6-pound bass. Also, I had a bunch of sticks here that I pulled out, and it's just processing, grinding them right up. So that's kind of a bonus. I'll tell you, that storm really did some damage. I just picked that pile up from this dead sycamore, but took another tree out right there. Got another one floating over there. So one of these days I'm gonna have to swim out there and start hauling these things in. Anybody remember when I said I needed to clean out the boat launch? Or I mean the boat channel? I remember Randy's like, well, I was just thinking of shears and maybe a handsaw. I don't want to take this willow out. I just want to trim it back. And then I want to get and trim that side back so the boat channel is open again. Hopefully I could reach over to that side. I don't think so. Alright, so here's an after look at the clean pond dam. It's every bit as good as a weed whacker, if not better in some cases. Now I can go fishing here when I'm ready.